Despite the bifacial modules being around since the 1960s, only recently they have started gaining prominence due to their reduced manufacturing costs, additional power generation, greater efficiency and durability. The ZPM HG-72 solar module series, manufactured by Zonergy, employs a bifacial design that allows power generation by both module surfaces to boost power output by up to 25%, resulting in a higher power yield of up to 688 watts. The performance gain ensures fewer modules are needed to produce the same amount of energy as the monofacial modules, leading to a reduced balance of system costs, a lower levelized cost of electricity, and a faster return on investment for the customers. This makes our modules well suited for use in large-scale projects, such as ground stations, agriculture, fishing, and others, as well as in building integrated photovoltaics and vertical installations. Half-cut cell design further improves module performance and reliability by lowering resistive losses, providing greater resistance to cracking and better shade tolerance. The use of high-strength glass on both sides provides greater durability and longer life of 30 years, which is more than the 20 or 25 years offered by the conventional modules. Albedo light is the diffuse light reflected by a surface onto the module's rear side. Surfaces like snow, desert sand and green grass have higher albedo values, allowing more power generation from the rear side and thus serve as an ideal location for bifacial projects. Our product is well suited for such project locations as it can withstand wind and snow loads of up to 2,400 and 5,400 pascals respectively. A low temperature coefficient of -0.35% per degree Celsius ensures that there will be a minimal drop in performance as the temperature increases. Established in 2007, Zonergy is a leading high-tech enterprise that offers integrated smart microgrid solutions for customers around the world, including the research, development, manufacturing, sales, engineering design, construction and maintenance for various renewable applications.